Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Monzo business account features. So let's quickly dive into it. Monzo Business is great if you want simple, stress-free banking for business. You get a dedicated business account with a UK sort code and account number, instant notification for every payment, and smart spending categories that makes tracking expense easy. The app is clean and intuitive. You can always know where your money is going. Also, it shines with a tools built for small businesses like tax port to get or set money aside automatically, easy invoicing integration, and quick export for accountants. You can manage everything on your phone, save time, and avoid paperwork. If this actually helped you, like the video, subscribe for more small business money tips, and comment if you are thinking of opening a Monzo business account. And that's it.